Those trend-conscious brides were in for a treat at the Samantha's Bridal Wedding Fair. Hand-picked leading wedding planners were commissioned to create trend hotspots around the show, where the latest in theme colors, floral arrangements, linen textures, gowns, and decor accessories were on display, and where visitors can watch some of East Africa's top bridal specialists in action.
One thing that's also very trendy right now is the rustic look, whereby nothing is specific, like before. Perfect centerpieces are look-alike. Rustic is all about a collection of things that you bring, things from your past. Like you could have vases that your grandmother left you. Why can't it be on your wedding day? So we've done a really nice rustic type of setup. Obviously our partner Dao put sweet inspiration. She's also done a really beautiful rustic cake. And we've just showcased some of the flowers exhibited in different formations, not necessarily arranged in vases, as it should be in rustic. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. We have some old suitcases, actually. I should tell you, they were my husband's school suitcases. He was kind enough. I found them in my mother-in-law's house. I said, Mom, can I have those? And she said, yes. So we have these little suitcases. You know, rustic is all about elements from the past coming forward to the future. So, yeah.
How cute is that?
Yeah.
I mean, from the past.
Yes.
And you don't have to go to a shop to buy
Correct.
things from the
Actually,
past.
sometimes you find even rustic, even mismatched cutlery, mismatched table setting with, old, but it's still personal because each piece speaks something to you. Yeah. So something different.
That's a really nice interpretation of rustic.
Yeah.
Because it speaks something.
Yes, it's a collection of your past and other people's past. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Samantha's Bridal Wedding Fair, the making of a dream wedding.